could do it all again, I know I'd go back to you.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you guys a haul that I did from Joanns, but it's not just any haul. If you are a paper crafter, you're gonna want to stick around because I have some super exciting news. I opened up my email this morning and they were having this huge kind of craft blowout sale. I guess it wasn't just crafts, but a lot of their things were up to 60 and 70% off. But the thing that I went for today and I found and got some super awesome deals on that I'm going to share with you guys was the paper. They had their paper. If the paper was anywhere from 79 cents to 99 cents, it was marked down to only 15 cents today. All of their open stock paper. So I want to show you guys what I got. First of all, before I start, just so you know, altogether, had I paid full price, I would have paid $47.17. But the only thing I paid today was $9.29. So crazy. It says I saved $37.88. So I wanted to share with you guys, again, if you're a paper crafter, this is more for you, or if you just want to get into it or whatever. I got some really high quality paper for under $10, and I believe it said I bought 57 pieces of paper. So yeah, 57 pieces. I'll kind of go through these quickly. That way, if you're like me on YouTube, you're not getting super bored. So the first pieces I bought 2 pieces of this. It's just kind of a bronze metallic-y color. And honestly, I looked at the back to try to figure out what the brand was. I couldn't read it. Like, I couldn't make out what the letters were on it. So I'll just show it to you guys. But this is, I guess, the brand. I don't know. I couldn't read it. Maybe it's just me. But so I bought 2 pieces of this. It's really good. It's like a heavy cardstock and it is metallic. I thought that this would be good for fall and for Christmas. And then I bought several pieces of the glitter paper, and the only reason that I bought these, so I'll just go through these. The only reason that I bought these was because, one, I am one of those people that I love glitter. Like, the glitter's really pretty, but if the glitter comes off, I'm not gonna work with it because I just can't stand glitter everywhere, and maybe it's in my head, but it makes me itchy. So but this, and of course you're always going to have like a little bit that comes off, but for the most part, like, this doesn't come off that much. I think I see like one little piece on my finger, but so I went ahead and grabbed these because they seem to me to be good quality. Okay, this one you can read a little bit more. Looks like it says Coordinations, so that's what the last brand was too, and it looks like it's a line by American Crafts. There's a good chance these are all American Crafts actually. So I got gold, I got red, I got 2 different shades of blue, a lighter blue, and then just a regular royal blue, and then a silver, and the last one I got was white. So again, all of those pieces were 15 cents. Actually, everything that I show you is 15 cents. Okay, and then the next paper that I got, I actually received some happy mail from some of my friends in different die cuts that were made with this paper, and I really wanted this paper. Last time I went and checked it out, it was kind of expensive. Like, regularly I think these are 99 cents a sheet, and so today 15 cents, amazing price. They are by, is it Darice? Is that how you say it? Darice. So I got black, and it's kind of a textured cardstock. I got several. I just kind of got a big stack of these because I figured I would use a lot of these. So I got black. I got red. This was the only shade red that I saw, but I thought these would be good for Christmas. And same thing with these. Like, the glitter does not come off on these. So I really love that about these. And then I grabbed a whole bunch of white because, again, you can just do so much with white. I bought a lot of white. I loved this color. It's like a peachy color, but I thought it would look pretty for fall. And then I just grabbed a couple yellow, again, for fall. thought I could make some cute stuff, maybe like some leaves or something out of these. So yeah, again, 15 cents a piece. And then I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking, well, if this is the exact same paper but bigger and it was also 15 cents, why didn't you just buy a whole bunch of that? They didn't have as much of this as they did of the smaller ones, so I wasn't able to buy as many of these, but these are the exact same paper, same company. They're just the larger, I guess what would be like the 12 by 12 pieces. So I got a couple white. I got this like blue color. It reminds me of like a blue whale color. It's pretty. I got green. That'll be good for Christmas. This really pretty purple color. It's like a lavender purple. Kind of a turquoise, like a robin egg blue. And then that red color again. I can't tell if that's about the same color. Kind of like a red wine-ish color. So I grabbed those. And then the last papers that I grabbed they're all different. I mean, a couple of them are duplicates, but I bought some, I hadn't seen these. Now these are the same kind, guys, that they have like all year. I literally bought some of these last year and they still had them this year. So they must not swap out their paper a whole lot. But I use these a lot, especially these cut-aparts. I love these cut-aparts. So I bought these because these are super fun to just cut apart and use for Happy Mail. So I bought this one. Again, American Crafts. I believe these are just all American Crafts. So I thought that one was super cute. Hopefully those are all getting in the frame. And then this print I thought was pretty. Just the different roses. And this is one that I already have, but I've used a few of them from it and they're so pretty that I figured I would buy more and just have it since they were so cheap today. Love this print. This print will be fun to use for like the summertime. And then I bought this one because I like the little trailer, I don't know what you would call them, like I guess campers, not trailer, but. And then there's like some teepees and stuff. Theirs is so cute and tents. Greenhouse. So yeah, love that one. And then I got this one because it's Halloween colors. I'm currently working on some Halloween stuff. I loved the bear the most on this one. I think the bear is so cute. But the little bunny and the raccoon and then the fox is cute too. Loved all the little flowers and stuff on there. And I actually bought, if you guys remember on my Tuesday morning, I believe it was my last Tuesday morning haul, I bought the mini paper pack of these. And so when I saw this, I thought, oh, this will be perfect. I didn't buy the large pack just because it was a little bit more pricey than I would have liked to have paid for it at Tuesday morning. But these are only 15 cents today, so I grabbed 2 pieces to go along with that smaller pack that I had originally bought from Tuesday morning. So I was really excited to see these. Again, I bought 2. And then I bought 2 of these as well, just because I like to use the spider web a lot for my Halloween projects. And I have other spider web paper and I use it like crazy, and I saw this and thought I better grab these since I use spider web so often. So I got 2 of those, and these are just paper. They're really, really light cardstock, I would almost say, but they're not, I don't even know if I would use the word cardstock. They're really just paper. And then these cut aparts. I had this page at the beginning of this month, and I've used this page for Happy Mail so much that I'm starting to run out. So I went ahead and bought 2 so that I could cut these up and use them some more in somewhere in my Happy Mail, because they're just perfect to, you know, stick in stuff or make little cards out of or little tags. So I grabbed those, and then my last Halloween paper that I grabbed, and I got all the Halloween paper they had but one, I believe, just because it wasn't on sale. It wasn't 15 cents today, so I didn't grab it. It was more of a cardstock material, but I just thought this was cute. It's just the pumpkins, and I like any paper that just has pumpkins on it. So I grabbed 2 of those. And the last one that I grabbed was this right here, because of course Christmas is coming up and I will eventually start doing Christmas themed things for my Happy Mail. So I just thought this was super cute. It says fa la 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 la, and it's in that same color, kind of the pastel-y colors as the color, not the color, of the paper pack that I bought from Tuesday Morning. And then I think it also matches these trees that I bought today pretty well, so I thought that was pretty cute. I could use those together. So yeah, so that is my haul, you guys. So here's the thing though, here's the catch. The sale only goes on until tonight, and my Joann's closes at 6 o'clock. So if you're watching this, if it's Sunday, hurry, jump in the car, run over there, grab you some paper. Again, I paid only like $9 for over $40 worth of paper, which is a super, super good deal. Us paper crafters can never have enough paper. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I hope that you're able to run out to your Joann's before the day is over and find you some paper too, because the prices are super, super awesome. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you have a great day. FYI, I will be posting a giveaway tonight. So be on the lookout. This is just kind of my hint to you. Be on the lookout tonight for a giveaway video that I will be posting. So thanks so much for tuning in. As always, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys have a great evening and good luck finding you some deals. Bye.